Varo is a digital bank that lets customers manage everyday banking through a mobile app without using traditional bank branches. By the end, you'll know what Varo does well, where it may fall short, and what to check before making it your main bank account. Varo is built for people who prefer handling money from their phone. You can use the app to manage your account, monitor transactions, and handle basic banking tasks without visiting a physical location. The biggest advantage is convenience. If you already do most of your financial activity online, a mobile-first bank like Varo can fit into that routine easily. Varo can be a good primary bank option for people who want simple account management and do not need regular branch visits. The app-based setup makes it easier to check balances, review spending, and manage money on the go. The trade-off is that digital banks work differently from traditional banks. If you need in-person support, physical locations, or certain traditional banking services, a digital-only setup may not feel as convenient. Before switching your main bank account, check how Varo handles the things you use most. Look at account features, customer support options, how deposits work, and whether the account fits your daily spending habits. Another thing to consider is how you organize your finances. Some people use one account for everything, while others keep separate accounts for spending, saving, or bills. The right choice depends on how you already manage money. Varo is not automatically the best choice for everyone. It works better for people who value mobile access and simple, digital banking. It may be less suitable for people who prefer face-to-face banking or need services they can only get through traditional banks. The easiest way to decide is to compare Varo with your current bank. Write down the features you actually use, then see which option makes those tasks easier. Varo can work well as a primary bank if its mobile-first approach matches your banking style. The main things to evaluate are convenience, available services, and whether it supports the way you handle money every day. Before moving your direct deposits or closing another account, test the features you need and make sure Varo fits your routine. If this helped you understand whether Varo is worth considering, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of banking apps and money tools.